Welcome back to my channel. Today, I shall be discussing an important topic known as lactose intolerance. What is lactose intolerance? Some persons face difficulties in digesting milk. When I say milk, milk from animal source. And the reason for this is that they lack the enzyme lactase. Lactase is an enzyme that breaks down lactose, which is the milk, the sugar contained in milk. So these individuals lack that enzyme, and that is the reason why whenever they consume any product made from animal milk or milk products that contains anything that has a touch of animal milk, they get bloated. That means the enzyme is either insufficient or not present to digest that protein. Of course, we all know that milk is a protein. It could be an animal protein if it's gotten from an animal source, or a plant protein if it's gotten from a plant source. But today, I have a good news for you. I know people in this category will think that there is no way I could consume milk since when I take it, it doesn't digest. No, there are other beautiful sources that you can have and won't encounter any difficulty. For example, your coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, tiger nut milk. All these are wonderful sources from the plants. And you know that from the plants we have the nuts. And from these nuts we can extract their milk from it. Now, I can tell you that the nutrient content in these milk sources gotten from plants are so numerous, and the good thing about it is that the body gets to digest this milk without you having any problem with it. So instead of trying to overwork your digestive system to digest the cow milk, why won't you try a coconut milk today, or a tiger nut milk, or an oat milk? Yeah, you can get milk from oats, or uh, an almond milk. Someone will ask me how. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to do these extractions. It's very easy. You don't need to have the whole equipment in the world to do this. It's as easy as ABC. And see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Also, leave your positive comments below. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.